How to invite friends on Sweatcoin. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends and earn Sweatcoins on the Sweatcoin app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can use the link in the description to download it. Open the Sweatcoin app. Wait for it to load. Tap here. Then tap on Friends. Here you will see the steps of your friends. This feature shares your steps with the people that follow you. Here you can search for your friends and follow them. If you add contacts, then you will be able to see your contacts that are on Sweatcoin. You can also share your invite link with your friends to join you, and you will receive 5 Sweatcoins for each successful invite. A successful invite means a new user who downloaded the Sweatcoin app using your unique referral link. This new user must then create an account in the Sweatcoin app using an unregistered mobile number, email address, Apple ID or Google profile. You can copy and share your link or tap on more to directly share your invite link through apps. So this is how to invite friends on Sweatcoin.